In this video, we're going to replace the battery on a Bobcat skid steer, what type of battery to use, what tools do you need, and simple tips how to do it properly. And actually, that is pretty simple if you know how to do it. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that, and let's get started. Our battery is located inside the engine bay on the left side, and as you can see, we have to remove that battery holding bracket and fit this big boy in. And okay, let's undo the battery clamp bracket. We have to move the cables out, and that's why we're removing that holding bracket for the battery cables. Okay, now we're going to undo those two 1/2-inch nuts and remove that plastic holding down bracket for the battery. Okay, nuts are off. Let's pull the straps out. Okay, now we have to pull the battery out much as possible, and that will make us easy to get to those battery terminals. Let's disconnect the negative first, because if you accidentally touch the ground disconnecting the positive, you will have a short. Okay, now time for our positive battery terminal. Let's disconnect that guy as well. As you can see, this skid steer has a small size Honda Civic, Honda Service size battery. Okay, let's clean our battery clamps, make sure they have good connections when we need to put it all together. And many times I've seen the small batteries on Bobcats. Okay, this is our battery, 700 kilograms, 24 grade battery, and this one will fit. Okay, we have a 6.5 inches wide, and we have to remove that front engine cover. Couple clips on the side, one on the top. Let's undo those ones and take the front belt cover off. Now we have tons of room and we can get a battery in. Otherwise you will end it with a small battery, which won't be enough. Okay, let's pull our cable to the side, and now we can get our new battery in. Just enough room for this battery, 6.5 inches wide. Okay, as you can see, it's half in. Now I'm connecting my positive battery terminal first, and my negative is still disconnected, because if I will accidentally touch the ground, we still have no ground. Okay, same thing, we're going to connect our negative battery terminal. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put it all down in the comment section below. Make sure terminals are tight and check it out, and then we will put our battery in a battery tray. That's way it's easy and no hassle. Okay, now we're going to put it in a tray properly. As you can see, it fits right there. Okay, my battery is in. Now I'm going to put the holding down bracket. Sure, battery won't rattle and move around when our machine will be in operation. Same thing in reverse. And I have few more heavy equipment videos. Check the description down below, putting our cover back, and more Bobcat videos will be over there as well. Check them out, all tight, and let's put a zip tie to keep a cable from moving around and touching that sharp strap threaded part. Let's check it out. Start it right up, guys, no problem. Alright, that's it for today. If you like it, thumbs up. Yeah, see you next time, and stay warm. Bye bye.